I would just suggest to you, we can't be serious about addressing our country's financial and spending problems unless we're willing to tackle the entitlement side.
And how about the estate tax? Would you go and would you, right now, the Democrats have a proposal to, as you know, it went out of business this year, but it comes back with a very high rate next year. They say let's have a $3.5 million exemption for individuals, 7 for couples, 45% rate. Does that sound reasonable to you?
No, I think the estate tax should be lower than that. I don't think that's reasonable enough or low enough. And I just want to tell you, generally, Al, this story, I think, summarizes the whole thing. I had lunch the other day with a 35-year-old entrepreneur. He made a lot of money. He said, Governor, I've got ideas, I got energy, I got capital to deploy. I should be going at Mach 5 with my hair on fire. I should be hiring everybody in this restaurant. He said, but you know what I'm doing? Nothing. Because I don't have confidence in this president, in this Congress, that this economy is going to stabilize. I think they're going to continue to send discouraging rather than encouraging signals to entrepreneurs. And he said, I'm sitting on my hands. And that story repeats itself every time I travel around the country. It repeats itself with anybody I'm talking to in business. And the bottom line is, the business community, the entrepreneurial community, doesn't trust and doesn't believe in this president, in this Congress, and they're sitting on their hands.
Well, just one final question about the estate tax, though. Only 1 in 400 estates pay the estate tax. You say it should be lower. Isn't that really a gift to the very richest Americans?
Well, that assumes they haven't paid taxes on those earnings and the accumulation of that wealth to begin with.
Well, in capital gains, they haven't.
So there's many people. Well, in capital gains, I think one of the best ways you can stimulate the economy is lower the capital gains tax. But there's an argument to be saying, let's just eliminate the estate tax. I mean, why do we even have it? The notion that people are going to have, the government's going to reach into your pocket at the time of your death, particularly when some of that has already been taxed.